Hi guys! Today we actually received this wonderful little gifts from Playmobil. It's 3 stages of learning how to play with toys and develop your skills for little toddlers and babies and preschool kids. And we thought we'd show it to you and open it up with you. Do you want to join us? I think you do. Yay! Good. Sit down. Let's open that. Oh yeah.
Oh God!
Wow, what is this? Huh? Dog. Dog. Let's see. It's got wheels. Okay. Somehow connected here. Like that. I think like that. How does this work? Can they sit down? Oh, they sit down. Look. Yay! So it's a pull-along dog with a girl. Dun, da, da, dun. Dun, da, da, dun. And here, what do we have here? It's a policeman with another dog. Yeah. Can we have a look? Yeah, let's have a look. Wow, look at that. These things out. Ooh. It's like a whole little town. We get to have a town. Oh, and he sits down as well. Hello, policeman, and your little doggy. Oh, hello. You have such a cute dog. Woof woof. Thank you. Huh? Cute.
So have a look at this one too. Let's get everything out and then we can play with it, huh?
This is a big one, huh? Big toy, huh? Is it a big toy? Wow, like a little house. Check this out. Put it here. Put it next to the... Wow. Swing, 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 swing. Stairs to go up. Yeah. To go up the slide. Huh? Hello, I am going down the slide. Oh, I'm going to join you. Mr. Police Officer, how are you going down the slide? Me too, me too, me too. Everybody go down the slide. Woohoo! Go, go, go. Yeah. Your turn. Next one. Who else is going down the slide? But one more person. Who's going down the slide, Michael? Chuk, 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 chuk. Chuk, chuk. Yay! Oh no! 2, 3, I'm coming! Yay! Oh, me too! Woof, 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 woof. Yahoo! That's fun, isn't it, Michael? You want to go too? Should we have that in our house? D. 1,
Oh no.
2,
Oh.
3, 4. Thank you, Playmobil. See you guys later. Bye. Bye, guys.